We are just doing a dolphin pose, which will help you to strengthen your shoulders and feel what it feels like. Just understand what it feels like balancing on your upper body. So let's try that together now. Measure out your elbows, bring them down to the floor. Open the hands, make a tripod, cheat, bring it pinky in, press down into the floor. Now step your legs back like a plank and then walk, 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 walk just like a down dog till your hip is your highest point in your body. Now release the head. It's not on the floor, it's off the floor. If your hamstrings are tight, you might feel your legs are bending, and that's fine. Try and straighten the legs if you can. Keep them bent if not. Try and feel your weight on your elbows and your shoulders. Gently release the knees and sit back. Important here is not to collapse into the joints. So you're using your muscles to push away from the floor. If you collapse into your joints, it's going to be very difficult for you to feel balanced and strong there. And the stomach is working as well. So let's try that one more time. Measure out your elbows, make a tripod, press down, feel equally balanced on either arm. Lean back on your heels, and you can do this against a wall. You can press your heels against the wall like a plank. You're in an elbow plank. Then just walk forward with your feet. Your hip is your highest point in your body. Release the head, neck in line with the spine. Inner thighs rolling inwards gently. Legs nice and straight if you can get them straight. Otherwise bent, and stay here for a few breaths. Pressing away from the floor with your shoulders. Don't collapse in the shoulders. Press away from the floor with your upper body and your chest. Staying here for 3 more breaths. And gently releasing the knees and resting in puppy pose. So you're going to bring your knees slightly apart, feet slightly apart, coming up and stretching forward. Your hip is up, forehead relaxed on the mat. Relax your shoulders, relax your elbows, opening up the shoulders, allowing them to breathe. So those were our balancing poses. It's wonderful to understand the body better through the balancing poses. Sometimes you might feel that you're stronger in your lower body. Some of us might feel our upper bodies are more strong. Sometimes the right side of the body is more stable or more flexible, and sometimes it's the left. So through our balancing poses, it's wonderful to understand all aspects of ourselves.